today we are playing Minecraft once again, but it's hardcore and I'm lagging so much, and I'm 15%. It's not bad, bro. Not bad. It's a bit laggy, but I can handle it. And that's the last word. What the fuck? Yeah, I just got this. No, I'm not. What? What the fuck? My game glitching. Okay, there we go. I like to keep my things organized, so yeah, I always place my pickaxe on these nuts in your mouth. Okay, do not mind what I just said. Ooh, cool. Nice. I just dropped my pickaxe. Man, I should. Oh, I'm closer. I don't know what the fuck's happening to my videos, cause the fucking volumes are low as fuck. I don't know why, bro. I mean, like, you can't even hear my voice, bro. Like the hide and seek video and the Minecraft video with the horror add-on. Yeah, I don't know why the fuck. Why was my voice so fucking uh I don't know. I don't know what to call it, but can't even hear me. Okay, I forgot about this. We'll go get. Okay, not bad. My hand already hurts. Fucking 4 FPS, bro. What? Damn it. I will kill everything. This is. This is just, I thought I was gonna fall, but I mean, if that was something. Three, a tree. Nice. Sheep. Is that a sheep? Ah. My fucking hand hurts. Get the fuck out of the way. Cow. Give me meat. Give me your meat. Give me your meat. Okay, nice. My fucking hand hurts. Man, I really need some long fucking tape desk bow. My desk is not long. It's fucking short and it leaves my hands hanging. Excuse me. Okay, okay, this is good, this is good. We got 2 sheep. We can grab a bed, we can cook. Shh. Fuck. What the fuck? Boy just gave birth? Boy just gave birth? Okay, that's weird. But I'll kill your mother anyways. And you too, I'm not that. I think making a place to live in, or a cave hut, something. Then bed for bread. Okay. Okay, this is good. We can grab a door. Door. Alright. This will be a place for the night. Actually, I'll make this my home, like an underground home. Oh. And boom. Bam. There we go. This is too much coal, man. Why is there too many coal? I don't need this coal. I do not need this coal. Even though I don't really need this, I mean, I guess let's just turn up the cool bright. Still cook. I'm gonna cook your meat. I mean your beef. There we go. Here. Here. I don't like this torch. I'm gonna turn them to bright ba. What's spray of this ever? Don't mind me, just you know, doing shit. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna place my bed. That's the first night of my hard cursor. Okay, why did I break it though? I did it. My damn desk is breaking. Why you dead? Don't you dare. See your dirt. What is that? Stop, I don't know. Give me your meat. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for the meat. I do need some wood, actually. I wanna decorate the house. Okay. Why is my... Oh my god. I need it to be closer to my mouth. I don't wanna buy the like Bluetooth mic something, but I don't got the cash, bro. I don't have the cash. It actually is. So those waypoints are nothing. They're completely shit. They're from my other worlds. So yeah, it's created this waypoint. Yeah. Shut up. Fuck. Okay. There we go. Nice. Now I need to. Actually, let's do this. Hmm. Kill a cow. 19 minutes already, bro. Okay. So let's just. I don't really know what to do because I built a house. I mean, I didn't really build it. I didn't really build it. I just dug it up. I mean, dug it out. So I think it's a pretty good house. I mean, I just got a fucking mouth hurts. Got a chest. Boom. Nice. Okay. Another meat. I think this will be like. I think this is. I think what the guy. I'm gonna end this video right here. So if you guys enjoyed it, leave a, like this video, and I, I hope you subscribe. It will really help me out a lot. It, it will make me happy because I'm I'm literally like fucking tired just going to school. Grade 6. Holy shit, I'm low battery. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye bye. I love you all.